Hey, it's Sunfruit Dan here. So do you want to learn a very quick, cheap, safe and effective way to burn belly fat? Because so many people out there find it hard to burn the belly fat to get a nice slim stomach like mine. So if you want one like mine, stay tuned to this video and listen to what I have to share with you. So the way you can do this is with baking soda and some other things added to it. But before I explain how to perform this so you can get those belly burn fatting benefits that it's going to give you, I'm first going to explain one of the reasons why you may not be able to burn that belly fat that you're looking to lose, and how the baking soda resolves this issue. So many people's bodies are highly acidic due to a lot of stress, lack of sleep, especially dietary reasons and other different reasons as well. And if your body is highly acidic, it will not allow your body to naturally burn belly fat as fuel, because when it does that, it releases the belly fat into the body and makes the body more acidic. So if your body's already acidic and then it releases that into the body, it makes it too acidic, which makes the blood too acidic, and it will cause a lot of detrimental health effects. So basically it's a defense mechanism put in place by your body to not harm you. But what baking soda actually does is it completely alkalizes the body and starts to raise your pH. Most people's pH is around 7.3 to 7.4 unless they're eating a very alkaline diet and doing other things to alkalize themselves. But this will bring you up to about a 7.8 pH, which is perfect for burning belly fat and just giving you an optimal state of health in your mind and body holistically. So how you perform this is you first want some water, preferably purified, distilled or reverse osmosis water. You want a lemon, and you also want baking soda, and make sure that you get baking soda that is from an aluminium free source of baking soda, because this is a toxic heavy metal that's in a lot of baking soda. It will cause you a lot of detrimental health effects, and that's the last thing that you want to be doing. That's the last thing I want you to be doing as well. So what you do is, upon awakening in the morning, get 8 ounces of water, squeeze the juice out of the lemon, add 1 flat teaspoon of the baking soda to the water and stir it until it's completely dissolved. And if you want it to dissolve quicker, add warm water or even blend it up. That will do it even quicker. And then drink it down. It's as simple as that. And if you want to get even greater benefits, drink it multiple times throughout the day, about 20 minutes before each meal. So you could have it upon awakening in the morning, 20 minutes before lunch and 20 minutes before dinner. And a lot of people find from the research that I've done online that they start to notice benefits within 5 to 7 days. But it may take you longer, it may take you a shorter period of time. It's going to depend on so many different factors and variables. So I would say give this a go every single day, at least once a day, drinking this concoction for at least a month. And take some pictures of yourself before, and also weigh yourself as well, so you can start to notice the changes through photographic evidence and through the scales as well. And if you want to get added benefits for burning that belly fat, then add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to this mixture, because this is amazing for helping you lose weight as well. And a couple words of warning that I need to add is, if you've got gastritis, I do not recommend doing this, because it can cause you gut discomfort, and that's the last thing that you want to be doing, because it's not going to feel good at all. And if you do start to notice any adverse effects that really don't make you feel good whatsoever, discontinue using this completely, or reduce the amount of baking soda that you're taking by at least 1/2 to 1/4 of a teaspoon. And you can do this for as long or as short as you want, but as I mentioned, the longer you do it, the greater benefits that you are going to get. And I would advise to you all to try and add as many alkalizing foods in your diet as possible. The most alkalizing foods out there are fruits and vegetables, so start adding a lot of them into your diet, and start to try and remove some of the acidic foods that are in your diet, especially the processed junk foods, because they are the worst offenders for making your body more acidic and just helping you pile on that body fat. So yeah, give it a go and watch. You can easily start to get a stomach like mine if you follow these instructions correctly over time. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below as always, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like the video, like it down below, give us a thumbs up. And we've got some noisy birds up there trying to get involved in the video. They want to get famous. And yeah, please share this video with anyone you think will benefit greatly from what I've shared with you today in this video. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below to receive a lot more videos from me on a regular basis, telling you how you can achieve a low body fat percentage just like myself in the most natural and safe and effective ways. How you can also go in the direction of healing yourself of all sickness and disease in your mind and body, like I've managed to, and many people that I've helped and coached around the world, and just help you also with many videos helping you to get to the point of having so much energy so you can achieve all the things that you want to in this life and do all the things that you love to do without feeling fatigued and having to drag yourself out of bed and feeling like rubbish. So yeah, stay tuned for all those videos and much more. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.